Home remedies for sensitive teeth. It often happens to people that their teeth suddenly become sensitive, and when they take cold or hot food or drink, they experience severe tooth pain. This situation is very painful, from which we want to get rid of it as soon as possible. We tell you the cause of tooth sensitivity and what can be its treatment. Teeth become sensitive when the protective layer or enamel on them wears away. And the nerves in the teeth are more sensitive to cold, hot, or acidic drinks, which causes pain. Tooth sensitivity can have several causes. Tooth enamel may be worn away due to the use of a hard brush. Tooth loss due to excessive consumption of acid drinks. A hollow tooth's dental fillings have come out. Grinding teeth in sleep. Cleaning or treatment of teeth. Symptoms of tooth sensitivity are feeling cold or hot in the teeth, toothache from breathing cold air, redness or swelling of the gums. Tooth sensitivity can be relieved through proper treatment. Apart from this, some home remedies can also be helpful in this regard. Keep a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse and brush your teeth. Do this once a day. The anti-inflammatory properties in coconut oil help to relieve toothache. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of lukewarm water and gargle. Do this twice a day. The antiseptic properties of salt help reduce toothache. Crush a clove of garlic and add a few drops of water and a pinch of salt to it. Apply this mixture on the affected tooth. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse. Apply once a day. Mix 6 drops of clove oil in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and apply it on the affected teeth and gums. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Apply once or twice daily. Mix half a spoon of mustard oil with a pinch of salt and apply it on the teeth and gums. If you suffer from tooth sensitivity, add vitamins E and B to your diet. These vitamins reduce inflammation and keep teeth and gums healthy. Almonds, spinach, beets, fish, eggs, meat and dairy products are rich in these vitamins. Use a soft brush the teeth gently. Avoid grinding your teeth. Avoid acidic foods. Take care of oral hygiene. Keep checking with the dentist. Also, minimize the use of ice cream, soda, hot tea or coffee, sweets, tomatoes, cold drinks and citrus fruits, and brush after use.